all these sayings all have come from somewhere. But
Oh, absolutely.
It's just knowing.
You just don't remember where from.
Yeah, it'd be nice if there was a book that sort of told you what all the different sayings meant.
Yeah.
You've got the old link in the chain there.
Yeah.
One of my machines at work's got that. It's got a belt drive, not from overhead, but from a motor. But it's got the same kind of leather belt on it.
Really?
Yeah.
How old would it be?
It's a bit older than me.
Okay.
Have you got a safety feature on it?
Safety feature.
Yeah, health and safety.
Well, it's
all that covered in.
It's got a cover over it. You can't see it while it's running.
That's right. Because something like that, if you got caught in the belt, you'd be dragged up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They were in the old days.
Yeah.
There's a museum up in Yorkshire, Queen Street Mill, and it's an old cotton weaving place, and there's hundreds of weaving looms, all individually driven by a belt.
Yeah.
Health and safety nightmare,
Yeah.
and the noise as well.
Yeah.